Fluency starts in your mind when you think in English. Don't just speak English. Train your mind to think in English.
Hi, Daniel. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I am good. How about you?
I am fine. Thank you. Today we will try something new.
Oh, what is it?
We will practice thinking in English.
Really? How do we do that?
First, we start with small sentences. Look around you.
Okay, I see my pen.
Good. Say it in English.
I see my pen.
Very good. Now try describing it.
The pen is blue.
Excellent. That is thinking in English.
I see my notebook.
Say it in English.
This is my notebook.
Perfect. Can you describe it?
The notebook is big and red.
Very nice. You are doing well. Now try something about yourself. Say one thing you like.
I like reading books.
Good. Can you say why?
Because books are fun.
Excellent. Keep practicing.
I eat breakfast every morning.
Say it in English.
I eat breakfast every morning.
Good. What do you eat?
I eat bread and eggs.
Perfect. You made a full sentence. Look outside your window.
I see a tree and some birds.
Very good. Can you describe the birds?
The birds are small and colorful.
Excellent. You are thinking in English.
Sometimes I forget words.
That is okay. Everyone forgets.
Really?
Yes, try to remember slowly.
Okay, I will try every day. I wake up at 7, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast.
Excellent. You are thinking in English already.
Wow, it feels good to speak like this.
Yes, small steps every day make a big difference.
I will practice more tomorrow.
Great idea. Practice makes perfect.
I like thinking in English. It is fun.
Me too, and it will help your speaking. You can do it. Hi, Daniel. It is a sunny day.
Hi, Emma. Yes, I like sunny days.
Let's walk and practice English.
Good idea. I see a big tree.
Good. Can you describe it?
The tree has green leaves.
Excellent. And the trunk?
The trunk is brown and strong.
Very nice. You are thinking in English?
I see some birds on the tree.
Say slowly.
There are small birds on the tree.
Perfect. What are they doing?
They are singing.
Excellent.
I see red flowers.
Say, the flowers are beautiful.
The flowers are beautiful.
Very good. Can you describe more?
The flowers are small and red. I hear children laughing.
Say it in English.
I hear children laughing.
Good. And what are they doing?
They play with a ball.
Good.
I run in the park.
Why do you run?
Because I like exercise.
Perfect.
I see a dog.
Describe it.
The dog is big and brown.
Very nice. What is it doing?
It runs fast.
Excellent. Now describe the sky.
The sky is blue and clear.
Great. What about the sun?
The sun is bright and warm.
Perfect.
I feel happy today.
Yes, practice in English helps.
I will practice every day.
Small steps every day make a big difference.
I like the park.
Me too. Thinking in English is fun.
I want to practice more tomorrow.
Good idea. Let's do it again. Daniel, look at your room.
Okay, I see my desk.
Say in English.
I see my desk. There's a book.
Excellent. Describe the book.
The book is big and blue. I see a pencil and an eraser.
Say a sentence.
The pencil is yellow. The eraser is white.
Very good.
I see my chair.
Describe it.
The chair is brown and small.
Perfect.
I pick up my pen.
Say it in English.
I pick up my pen. I open my notebook.
Good. What do you see inside?
I see lines and some writing.
Very nice.
I hear a sound outside.
Say it in English.
I hear the birds singing.
Excellent.
I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I walk to school.
Very good.
I see my friends. I read books in class. I like math class.
Excellent.
I feel happy at home.
And what do you do after school?
I do homework. I eat dinner. I read a book.
Very good.
I can think in English.
Keep practicing every day. Hi, Daniel. Are you ready for school today?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I am ready.
Let's practice English while we are in class.
I see my desk.
Say a sentence.
My desk is brown and small.
Perfect.
I have 3 books.
Describe them.
One book is red, one is blue, and one is yellow.
Very good.
I see the teacher.
Say it in English.
The teacher is tall and kind.
Excellent.
I look at the students.
Say a sentence.
They are reading their books.
Good. What else are they doing?
Some students write notes.
Very nice.
I hear the clock.
Say a sentence.
I hear the clock ticking.
Perfect.
I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I walk to school. I read books in class.
Excellent. Can you say one thing you like?
I like math class because math is fun.
Perfect.
I feel happy at school.
Very good. And what do you do after school?
I go home. I do homework. I eat dinner. I read a book.
Excellent.
I want to practice more English.
Very good. Small steps every day help.
I will practice every day.
Yes, thinking in English is fun. Hi, Daniel. Let's go to the market today.
Hi, Emma. Okay, let's go.
Look at the fruits first.
I see apples.
Say it in English.
I see red apples.
Very good.
I see bananas.
Describe them.
The bananas are yellow.
Excellent. Look at the vegetables.
I see tomatoes and carrots.
Say a sentence.
The tomatoes are red. The carrots are orange.
Perfect.
I hear people talking.
Say it in English.
I hear people talking loudly.
Good. Now look at the shopkeeper.
The shopkeeper is smiling.
Very good.
I want to buy an apple.
Say it in English.
I want to buy an apple.
Perfect. How much is it?
It is $2.
Good. Can you ask politely?
Excuse me, how much is this apple?
Excellent.
I pay the money.
Say slowly.
I give the money to the shopkeeper.
Very good.
I see water and juice.
Say it in English.
I want juice, please.
Perfect.
The market is busy.
Yes, it is. Can you describe it?
People walk. People talk. Children run. Dogs play.
Excellent.
I feel happy shopping.
Very good. Keep practicing English.
I will. Thinking in English is fun.
Hi, Daniel. It is Saturday today.
Hi, Emma. Yes, it is my free day.
Let's use English all day.
Good idea. I wake up at 8.
Say it slowly.
I wake up at 8.
Perfect.
I eat breakfast.
Say what you eat.
I eat eggs and bread. I drink milk.
Excellent. What next?
I go to the park.
Say it in English.
I go to the park.
Very good.
I see children playing.
Say it in English.
The children play football.
Excellent.
I see birds in the trees. The birds are small and colorful.
Very good.
I run around the park.
Say it in English.
I run around the park quickly.
Perfect.
Now look at the flowers. The flowers are red, yellow, and pink.
Excellent.
I sit under a tree.
Say it in English.
I sit under a tree and feel the wind.
Very good.
I feel happy and relaxed.
Excellent.
I talk to my friend.
Say it in English.
I talk to my friend about school and games.
Perfect.
I will practice English every weekend.
Very good. Small steps help a lot.
Thinking in English is fun.